Here's how to fix a taillight on a Kia Spectra from 2007. Go back here and find these tabs. Now you're going to unscrew them, and then this panel pops out. Once the panel is off, go to the bottom to locate the brake light bulb. This is a 2-in-1. It's the brake light and when the brake is pressed and the bulb gets lighter. This is what I bought. I'll put an affiliate link in the description to buy the same thing. All right, I'm putting in the new bulb and it's just gonna snap in and then turn 90 degrees. We see that it's working properly. And you can see when I press the brake pedal that it illuminates. That's what we want. Put the bulb back in the taillight and then twist 90 degrees to lock it. There's the old bulb. You can see how burnt out it is. All right, now just put that panel back on in the back. All right, remember, the affiliate link to buy the bulb is in the description. Please like and subscribe.